Do you eat cereal for breakfast or skip it altogether? If yes, then this video is for you. Welcome to nutrition.com. In this video we will go over the following points about breakfast, debunking some myths about breakfast, understanding role of nutrients for breakfast, how to make breakfast nutrient dense, examples of some nutritious daily breakfasts. Breakfast, as the name implies, breaks the overnight fasting period. It replenishes your supply of glucose, kick-starting your metabolism and setting your energy levels for the day. A common misconception is that skipping breakfast can aid in weight loss. However, it's quite the opposite. Skipping breakfast can actually slow down your metabolism, leading to weight gain and sluggishness. It's like trying to start a car without fuel. It just doesn't work as effectively. Moreover, studies have shown that those who eat breakfast are less likely to overeat later in the day. It's a win-win situation really. You get to enjoy a delicious meal and set your body up for success at the same time. So, now that we've established why breakfast is crucial, let's delve into what makes a breakfast nutrient-rich. Understanding nutrients is key to making healthy breakfast choices. Let's dive into the world of nutrients, the building blocks of our daily meals. Consider the body's building blocks. Proteins are crucial for muscle development and repair. They also play a pivotal role in producing enzymes and hormones. Foods rich in proteins include eggs, yogurt, and lean meats like fish, just to name a few. Yes, you heard it right. You can have fish for breakfast as it is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Also, it is advisable to keep switching your breakfast so you can benefit from the beneficial nutrients in variety of foods and not constrict your body to limited meal options. Next up, carbohydrates. Often misunderstood, carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. They fuel your brain, kidneys, heart muscles, and central nervous system. Healthy sources include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Remember, not all carbs are created equal, so choose wisely. Carbohydrates are made up of three components: fiber, starch, and sugar. Fiber and starch are complex carbs, while sugar is a simple carb. Depending on how much of each of these is found in a food determines its nutrient quality. Complex carbs you should add in your breakfast are whole grains like whole wheat bread, oats or quinoa, fiber-rich fruits like berries, apple and grapes. Fiber-rich vegetables like spinach and broccoli and beans. Then we have fiber, the unsung hero of nutrients. Fiber aids in digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even assist in weight management by keeping you feeling full for longer. Foods high in fiber include oatmeal, bran, and most fruits and vegetables. Now, let's talk about vitamins. These are essential for maintaining our body's health and well-being. They play various roles, from boosting our immune system to aiding in bone health. A well-rounded breakfast should include a variety of foods to ensure a good mix of vitamins. Lastly, we have minerals. These are elements our bodies need to function properly. They play a role in bone health, muscle function, heart rhythm, and much more. Think of foods like nuts and seeds, green leafy vegetables, and dairy products to get your fill of essential minerals. Hence, a balanced breakfast should include proteins for muscle repair, carbohydrates for energy, fiber for good digestion, vitamins for overall health, and minerals for various body functions. The trick is to mix and match these nutrients in your breakfast to ensure you're getting a well-rounded start to your day. Equipped with knowledge on these nutrients, you can now make informed breakfast choices. What does a nutrient-rich breakfast look like? You might be wondering. Well, let's dive right in and find out. First up, whole grains. These are a breakfast superstar. They're packed with fiber, which helps to maintain a healthy digestive system and keeps you feeling full longer. Think oatmeal and whole grain bread. These grains provide the energy you need to kickstart your day. Next, fruits and vegetables. These colorful foods are loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. An apple, a handful of berries, or a side of spinach can give your breakfast a nutrient boost. And remember, the more colorful your plate, the wider the range of nutrients you're getting. Now, let's talk about lean protein. Eggs are a classic breakfast choice, packed with high-quality protein. But don't forget about other sources like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or even a slice of turkey. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, and it also helps to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Dairy, too, plays a crucial role in a balanced breakfast. A glass of milk or a serving of yogurt can provide you with calcium and vitamin D, which are vital for bone health. If you're lactose intolerant, there are plenty of alternatives like almond milk or soy yogurt that can give you similar benefits. And finally, healthy fats. These come from foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds. They help absorb vitamins and protect your heart. So, a sprinkle of chia seeds on your yogurt or a few slices of avocado on your toast can make a world of difference. You see, creating a nutrient-rich breakfast isn't about cramming as many superfoods into one meal as possible. It's about balance and variety. Are you wondering how to incorporate these nutrients into your breakfast? Well, let's dive into some practical and easy breakfast ideas that will not only tempt your taste buds but also pack a nutritional punch. First up, we have the classic oatmeal, but with a twist. Instead of just plain oatmeal, try adding a handful of your favorite fruits and a sprinkle of nuts. The fruits will give you a burst of antioxidants and vitamins, while the nuts provide a dose of healthy fats and protein. Plus, the fiber from the oatmeal will keep you feeling full and satisfied till lunchtime. Next, let's move on to eggs. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or sunny side up. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein. But why not up the nutrition game a bit? Add a rainbow of vegetables to your scrambled eggs. Spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, the more colors, the better. This way, you're not only getting protein from the eggs but also a variety of vitamins and minerals from the veggies. Now, if you're someone who's always on the go and doesn't have the time to sit down for breakfast, a smoothie might be your best friend. Throw in a handful of spinach, a cup of mixed berries, a banana, and a sprinkle of chia seeds into your blender. You've got a nutrient-dense breakfast that you can sip on your way to work. The spinach provides iron and calcium, the berries offer antioxidants, the banana gives you a dose of potassium, and the chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. And there you have it. 3 simple yet nutrient-rich breakfast ideas. Whether you're a fan of sweet or savory, there's something for everyone. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count. Creating a habit of having a healthy breakfast can make a huge difference. It's not just about what you eat, but also how consistently you do it. To develop this essential habit, let's delve into a few tips and tricks. Firstly, preparation is key. If you find mornings hectic, try preparing your breakfast the night before. Overnight oats are a great option here. Just mix rolled oats with yogurt or milk and let it sit in the fridge. In the morning, add some fruits or nuts, and voila, your nutrient-packed breakfast is ready. Secondly, stock up on healthy, ready-to-eat options. These can be a lifesaver on especially busy days. Think whole grain cereals, Greek yogurt, or even hard-boiled eggs. Just make sure to pair these with a piece of fruit for a balanced meal. Thirdly, make breakfast a priority. It's easy to let the morning meal slip in the hustle and bustle of getting ready for work or school. But remember, it's called the most important meal of the day for a reason. So, set an alarm, wake up a few minutes earlier, and make time for breakfast. Lastly, be flexible. If you're not hungry first thing in the morning, it's okay to wait a bit. Just don't wait too long, as prolonged fasting can lead to overeating later in the day. With these tips, you can make breakfast a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. In conclusion, breakfast is more than just the first meal of the day. It's the energy charge that sets the pace for the rest of your day. It's like the morning coffee to your body's metabolism, kick-starting it into full gear and helping you burn calories throughout the day. We've dived into the science of it all, the important nutrients that your body craves after a long night of fasting. Remember, proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats are your best friends in the morning. They are the power trio that keeps you feeling full and focused, while also keeping those mid-morning snack cravings at bay. We've also explored the perfect breakfast plate and how to make it colorful and diverse. A dash of fruits here, a sprinkle of nuts there, maybe some yogurt or a slice of whole grain bread. It's all about balance and variety, and of course, it should be delicious too. The key is to make breakfast a habit, a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. It's not about eating at the crack of dawn, but rather within a few hours of waking up. And remember, it's not about quantity, it's about quality. So the next time you think of skipping breakfast, remember, it's not just a meal, it's the fuel your body needs to conquer the day. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on health and nutrition.